Are you a young student striving for financial success? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 highest paying programming languages that can accelerate your career in the technology industry. From Python to Java, from Kotlin to Swift, each programming language is ranked based on earning potential, market demand, and future growth prospects. So, the first place in our ranking is occupied by JavaScript. JavaScript has become an integral part of modern web development and is widely used for creating interactive and dynamic websites. Its versatility and compatibility with various platforms make it a sought-after skill in the job market. JavaScript developers are in high demand, especially with the emergence of frameworks such as React and Angular. The average salary for JavaScript developers varies depending on factors such as experience, location, and industry, but can range from $70,000 to over $120,000 per year. Job market outlook. JavaScript continues to be one of the most sought-after programming languages, with employment opportunities spanning industries such as web development, mobile app development, and even server-side development using Node.js. New opportunities. As the demand for web and mobile applications continues to grow, JavaScript developers can explore opportunities in new technologies such as progressive web apps (PWA), hybrid mobile app development, and the Internet of Things (IoT) development. Additionally, JavaScript is used in areas such as machine learning and artificial intelligence, thanks to the development of libraries and frameworks such as TensorFlow.js and Brain.js. These opportunities open doors for JavaScript developers in fields that are currently trending. Continuing our top list is Python. It has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its simplicity, readability, and extensive libraries and frameworks. Python is widely used for preparing for careers in data science, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Its versatility and ease of use make it a favorite among both beginners and experienced developers. Average salary. Python developers are in high demand, and their salaries reflect this demand. On average, Python developers can earn from $80,000 to $150,000 per year, depending on their experience and expertise. Job market outlook. The outlook for Python is extremely promising. It is the primary language for employment in positions such as data analyst, data scientist, and machine learning engineer. Its application extends to web development, automation, and scripting. Demand for Python developers is expected to continue growing in the foreseeable future. New opportunities. With the development of artificial intelligence and machine learning, Python developers can explore opportunities in data analysis, natural language processing, and computer vision. Additionally, integrating Python with frameworks such as Django and Flask opens doors to lucrative web development projects. The third place at our top is occupied by Java. Java is a versatile and reliable programming language that has successfully passed the test of time. It is widely used for creating enterprise applications, Android application development, and server-side development. Java's popularity is due to its platform independence, extensive libraries, and strong community support. Average salary. Java developers enjoy competitive salaries, typically ranging from $80,000 to $140,000 per year. Factors such as experience, location, and industry can affect the salary range. Labor market forecast. Java continues to be a leading force in the job market, especially in enterprise-level development and Android applications. Demand for Java developers remains steady, and the versatility of the language provides a wide range of employment opportunities. New opportunities. Java developers can explore new trends such as microservices architecture, cloud-native application development, and serverless computing. In addition, Java's compatibility with frameworks such as Spring and Hibernate provides opportunities for specialization and higher-paying positions. The honorable fourth place is occupied by Kotlin. This programming language, developed by JetBrains, has gained significant attention in recent years, especially in Android app development. Kotlin offers a shorter syntax, safety against null values, and hassle-free compatibility with Java, making it an attractive alternative for Android app development. Average salary? Kotlin developers can expect competitive salaries, typically ranging from $70,000 to $130,000 per year. Factors such as experience, location, and industry can affect the salary range. Labor market forecast. The demand for Kotlin developers is steadily increasing, especially after Google announced Kotlin as the preferred language for Android app development. The popularity of Kotlin ensures a steady stream of jobs in the Android development ecosystem. New opportunities. Kotlin developers can explore opportunities in cross-platform app development using frameworks such as Flutter and React Native. In addition, Kotlin's compatibility with Java allows developers to work on existing Java projects and gradually migrate them to Kotlin. And of course, we should not forget about Kotlin multi-platform. It opens up a world of new possibilities for developers, allowing them to write code that works on both Android and iOS, and even on the web. This seriously simplifies life by reducing the cost of developing and maintaining applications. Not surprisingly, Kotlin is becoming a particularly attractive choice for companies looking for cross-platform success without too much fuss. The last place is occupied by Swift. It is developed by Apple and is the programming language of choice for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS app development. Swift offers modern and concise syntax, memory safety, and performance optimization, making it a powerful language for app development in the Apple ecosystem. Average salary. Swift developers can expect competitive salaries, typically ranging from $80,000 to $140,000 per year. Factors such as experience, location, and industry can affect the salary range. Labor market forecast. With Apple's continued focus on the iOS ecosystem and the growing popularity of macOS, watchOS, and tvOS, the demand for Swift developers remains strong. The labor market for Swift developers offers exciting opportunities in mobile app development and projects specific to the Apple platform. New features. Swift developers can explore opportunities in augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) development using Apple's ArcKit and RealityKit frameworks. Additionally, Swift's compatibility with Objective-C allows developers to work on existing iOS projects and gradually migrate to Swift. Conclusion. In today's world, knowing how to program is a valuable skill that can help you make a lot of money. If you learn at least one or more of the most in-demand programming languages, you can find a high-paying job and earn well. Every programming language, from JavaScript to Python, Java to Kotlin, has its pros. Whether you're most interested in building websites, working with data, developing mobile apps, or programming at a lower level, there's always a language that fits your career goals. Don't forget that your success in programming depends not only on the language you choose, but also on your persistence, continuous learning, and problem-solving skills. So try to improve your programming skills, keep up with what's going on in the industry, and take advantage of growth opportunities.